Okay, I'm going to give a demonstration of a Datacap mobile application. I have on the screen my iPad, and I'm going to use this application right here called Datacap. You can download it free from the Apple App Store. So the first things first is I have the application running. It's looking for a photo, and what's nice about it is I simply have to hover it over the document. Once it picks out the edges, it'll take a snapshot of it. So I'll just get this up here in this area, and it'll find the document and take the picture. There, that's the picture. I have a personal checker line here, which I will redact, so you'll see some images on there. There it goes. And last but not least, my own driver's license, which I'll probably redact big portions of it as well. What's nice about this is if I have it far away, it won't actually take the picture until I get right in on the image and it's the right size. And it should take the picture. There it goes. So I've got those three documents. You can see them at the bottom here. And I pick those out and I click next. And in this case, I've got the form. It's got all the data taken off of the form right here, automatically extracted off of that. It's got the barcode number as well, but the data wasn't part of that. It was the data was actually extracted from these on the actual device. So the OCR was done on the device. The next thing is there's a check here, and it was identified as a driver's license. That's an issue with my my demo, but what's nice is I can just simply choose that this is a check, and what's nice is there is a button that appears up here, and I can actually have it process the actual check, and it'll automatically get all of the data associated with that check. So it sends the actual image back to the server, gets the data off, and populates it, including the amounts and the payees and those kinds of things off of this check. Last thing is the driver's license, and that just shows that it got all of my data off of this document. Upload, which is in the lower left-hand corner here, and upload this document, and off it goes. And you can see in the right here that there's one document pending, and off it goes to the server. And this is where it's using the Datacap web services layer to actually send this batch up to my server, which will then process it. Okay, it's done. I'll move over to my Datacap or IBM Content Navigator. I'm going to log in as my user, and I have the application for account opening. You can see all the batches here that are running or having been run. There's one here that's in this profiler color mode, and it's actually running. So that's the batch we just sent up. Should take a couple seconds here and have all the data that we need off of it. Okay, it's pending. I can open that. It's going to start showing my various documents. Again, I'm going to redact portions of these because it's my personal information. Yeah, you can see it got the name, the address, the actual social security number has one digit extra, but you saw that it was yellow. That's the only thing we have to really review. The rest of it is high enough confidence that we don't actually have to review it. And I can go through and say, yes, I'm done with that document. Move on to the next. It shows the driver's license, has all the various datas, which I'm going to redact. And then it actually skipped the check because it had all of the data off of that. I simply submit that, and now that goes into my system of record, which has the data that I need typically to open the account, which we go now through a workflow that somebody's going to get the data, they're going to create the account, or we can have it automated. You do all kinds of it, but that's where we go into the system of record. So here's the Datacap mobile demo, and it's done. Thanks.